morning to you, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. I got a great treat for y'all. I'm going to share with all of y'all a great cookie recipe that will be perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Lucky Charms cookies. That's right, sugar. We're going to make some cookies using Lucky Charms. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. These would be great to make with your kids. Adults will enjoy these too. And if y'all a fan of Lucky Charms, y'all gonna love these cookies. And they sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookie recipes, check out my cookies playlist and my previous video, Irish soda bread. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your baking pans, your flour, and your Lucky Charms sugar, because we're about to bake some Lucky Charms cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour, or you can use all-purpose flour. And if using all-purpose flour, make sure you add 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And also, we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Going to sift these together. Or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, and it's at room temperature. And then to our butter, we're going to add in our sugars, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of pure almond extract. Going to mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, now we're going to add in the flour mixture. We're going to gradually add that in. Mix it in until it's well blended. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in some green food coloring. We're going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful green. Now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The star of the show. The Lucky Charms. We're going to add in 1 cup of the Lucky Charms Marshmallows. And fold them in. Smells good. Can smell the almond and the vanilla extract. I love Lucky Charms. One of my favorite cereals. Love this since my childhood. That and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What's your favorite cereal, my friends? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding in my Lucky Charms, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. So using my ice cream scoop, I'm going to take a dollop of the cookie dough. just like that. And then we're going to place it onto my 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Like so. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing. And nice and golden brown around the edges. So now I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes and then I'll plate them up and then we'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Lucky Charms cookies. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Nice and chewy. I like the gooiness from the marshmallows. Bursting with flavor. The luck of the Irish. Magically delicious. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lucky Charms Cookielicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture. Please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy St. Patrick's Day.